Yeah, I will say when we first started out with this idea of our online program, our online course, it felt a little bit daunting. And then I was very fortunate to get connected, Robert, with you, and definitely everything. It felt so much more manageable. And now we've been working on it for um, over a year now. We've been working together. The course has been live for a while, and super grateful for the ongoing support from you and your entire team on just every single project that we have had along the way, and every question has been answered. So super grateful for all of the support and all of the help. We certainly could not have made it to this point without you and your team.
No. Well, we're super grateful to have been part of this journey and to help you. Thank you. That's very kind. Appreciate it.
Thank you. Yes, and I know we've got a few more projects ahead of us, so.
Oh, no, we're not done.
Absolutely not.
That's the other thing that I think I probably mentioned before is when you get into this, it's not done. Creative endeavors continue on. There's always another movie, there's another album, there's another course, there's another lesson.